Hey guys, it's Shay from Anchorstand Gaming here. Just wanted to give you an update video. This is some gameplay from a World of Warships game that I played. And I thought it went really well, so I decided, hey, I'm going to make a video of it. I'm playing with a good friend of mine, Ellis, a part of my clan, and me and him had a great game. I don't think he had as good of a game as I did, but it was pretty good. In this game I'm playing as the battleship Congo, and this just shows the teamwork that went on between both teams. There wasn't any real talking in this, there was no chat, it was mostly just, hey, you go here, you go here. And it really did pay off, so I'm going to let you guys watch the full video. I'm going to have some music playing in the background, and you tell me what you think at the end of the video.
Exorcism.
We are gonna conquer them. We are gonna come, kill and conquer. Run to Ireland. Hold up, this the game that chose us. Pioneers started on my corner like the cold crush. Had smokers lining up the block like a gold rush. The saying live fast and die young is what they told us. The way that they mold us, perfect way they showed us how to get money. Fuck bitches off this nose dust. Showed me how to burn the block down before it slows up. Before the window of opportunity closes up. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm all. Yeah. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm all. Yeah. Yogi said get 'em, so I got 'em all. Yeah. And turn this bitch into a burial. Good music. Yogi said get 'em, so I got 'em all. And turn this bitch into a burial. Looking from the top floor, why would I stop for? Still hear the crowd cheers while I'm thinking encore. Flying on a Concorde, listening to Tom Ford. Frames match the song title, flyer than a condor. Little niggas rhyme poor, poverty flows in your powder beating holes. And I am who you're trying for? I think not. Pusher, stay hot. The coops got no roofs, forever they stay dropped. Nigga, I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm all. Yeah. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm all. Yeah. Yogi said get 'em, so I got 'em all. Yeah. And turn this bitch into a burial.
Push.